A sophisticated spear phishing campaign, attributed to the Russian state-sponsored group UNC 4166, has been impersonating Ukraine's CERT-UA. This deceptive campaign targeted over 1 million email addresses, primarily within government, defense, energy, and telecom sectors in Ukraine and Poland. Attackers sent malicious emails with attachments, often zip files containing ISO images with LNK shortcuts, to deploy the AGEWHEEZE malware. AGEWHEEZE is designed for extensive credential theft, targeting web browser, email clients like Outlook, FTP clients, and VPN services. This incident underscores the critical need for robust cybersecurity measures, including multi-factor authentication, vigilant email security protocols, strong password management, and continuous user awareness training to counter highly deceptive, trust-exploiting, state-sponsored attacks.